Hey guys, welcome back to eBike Reviews and Adventures. I'm Emma. Today we're going to take the Lectric XP Trike 2 out for a nice little ride. You guys can come along and I will teach you a little bit about it. Alright guys, so here you have the Lectric XP Trike 2 in Stratus white, which is kind of an almost grayish white. It's really pretty though. This has a 500 watt motor, a 13 amp hour battery. It is also torque sensor. You also have hydraulic brakes right here. And then the display is a little bit unusual. So if you look here, it'll show you that it's off. And instead of having your usual pass like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you go up on your little directional pad here, and it'll tell you you're in eco mode, tour mode, sport plus, and turbo. Turbo is the highest you can go, which I believe is 14 miles per hour. Okay, and then you also have blinkers. So there you have it. Lectric XP Trike 2.